Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop shadow effect in Canva. So first of all, just open up the Canva application and I'm going to type something like this. And now you have to just copy this and now you can see this. I just type this create drop shadow effect. Now I just want to create a drop shadow effect on this. So what I have to do is I just have to go for this color and you can see that I change the color all white, and now I change the background color to the black, and in images I'm searching for, I just select these two effects from photos and you can see this. You have to tap on this send to back and then again you have to select this. You just have to repeat the process like copy and paste and tap on this send to back every time. So after repeating this process you can see this our effect has been created. So now if I just go back to colors and change the color again to the black, you can see this our drop shadow effect has been created. So that's it for this video. That's how you can create a drop shadow effect in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.